Now let's talk about how we create the user. So you see your org already. Now you know you already have two Salesforce licenses, right? One license is already consumed. Can you just check out where do you find the license information?
Yeah, sure.
And you see how many licenses are available for you to create the users. Because
Mhm.
when you create the user, you should have a valid license available.
Yep. So
Okay.
let me first log in quickly.
You find that menu.
Yeah, I'm going into setup. You want me to check on users?
No, I'm not. I want to check on the licenses that are available currently for you.
Okay, company information you want me to go. Oh,
Yes, perfect. So go to the company information, check for the user license.
mhm. Featured license, I have one. There are a lot of things there.
Which license do you
User
need?
license.
User license. Which user license do you need to create the user?
Which user license do I need? Salesforce?
Exactly. So Salesforce license user license, you need to create a new user in Salesforce. Okay.
Mhm. Yep.
So you have one license which is remaining that you can consume. Okay. Now,
Okay, I see 10 user licenses. So,
really?
yeah, let me show
Okay.
you.
So they have extended actually. I don't know.
Yeah,
So
that's why
if
I was kind of confused.
oh earlier the developer orgs they're coming with two licenses only.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let me quickly share my screen. Okay, that
That's
way
so
I am kind of like clear. Let's be very clear. Okay, so this is what I see. User licenses. I see total two. Yeah, you are right. Total two. Salesforce license are total two.
correct. That's what I said actually. I mean, this is only two
Okay.
licenses.
So I was looking at only user licenses. I did not hover. So that's yeah.
No. These are the total licenses of type user actually.
Hmm.
Okay,
Correct.
perfect. So you have one license available right now. Okay.
Hmm.
What does that mean? You can create maximum one license, one Salesforce user in the system, and that is what we need. Okay.
Hmm.
So you are already in Salesforce admin profile. Okay.
Hmm.
Now
Correct.
this we are going to create Salesforce standard user license.
Okay.
So you go to Salesforce setup menu, search for users. When you find the users, click on new user. First click on users to get the all users screen.
Hmm. I'm there.
Then click on new user. We need to create a new user.
Yep.
Now on this screen, before you proceed, on the left hand side, just notice few things. We have some checkboxes:
Hmm.
marketing user, offline user, knowledge user, flow user, right? All of these are
Correct.
features.
Hmm.
Every time checkbox, like you check any checkbox, you're consuming one feature license.
Hmm.
So depending on what is the role of the user, we can assign different type of feature licenses to one single user.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now on the right hand side, you have information. So you need to fill first name, last name. Again, email ID has to be a valid email ID that you have access on, and the username will be in the format of email ID. It is not required to be an email ID anyways. So just fill these
Okay.
fields. On the right hand side, you can see
Hmm.
we have fields which are important to understand: role, user license, and profile. Okay. Role comes into play when we are talking about data sharing. It is nothing to do with authentication. All
Hmm.
right. So you can choose any role for now. When we go for data sharing concepts, we will discuss role in detail.
Okay.
The
And for
next,
username, I can provide any. thing, right?
Any username in the format of an email ID.
Okay.
This has to be unique actually.
Yeah, yeah. That it is unique.
Mhm.
Now you are saying that on the right hand side, role is for data sharing, right?
Right. Am I sharing my
Mhm.
screen? Are you able to see my
You're
screen?
definitely, yeah, yeah. I'm
Okay.
toggling between my screens. That's why I was asking.
Okay, that's fine. So uh, there is a field called role, which takes part in data sharing, right? Right
Hmm.
now, we are not talking about data sharing at all. So you can select any role or you can leave it even blank. That is fine, right?
Okay.
Now, let's talk about the user license. As you know, we are creating a user that requires a login. So it has to be Salesforce license that you need to assign.
Hmm.
Now, when it comes to profile, we will discuss profile in greater detail down the line. But right now, you understand profile is basically a security context, the baseline security context for any user in Salesforce.
Hmm.
Okay. So this time, you will choose a standard user. You don't choose admin profile.
Got it.
Okay. Once you are done, you can save that.
Do
Click
you
on
want me to select any other option like marketing user, offline user,
nothing. Nothing
knowledge
for
user?
keep it vanilla for now.
Okay, no changes to local settings like time zone and all, right?
Nothing. It by
Okay.
default is by default taking the current time zone that is set for your org. Actually, you can set it at the user level as well. That
Yeah.
I will show you later.
Again, that verification exercise we need to do.
You will get an email actually.
Yes. Let me quickly check.
Okay, should we move forward or you are working on something right now?
No, I received that email, so I'm just kind of checking.
Okay,
So I'll just go ahead and verify the account quickly.
right.
It will say reset password. I'm going to just reset the password.
Mhm.
So I cannot see absolutely nothing. I just see opportunities, leads, all those things,
Right.
what
Perfect.
we
That is
had.
expected with the standard user profile.
Hmm. Hmm.
So you can just leave that standard user and log it out, and you can come back to the admin user for now. This we will
Okay.
use as a standard user when we will discuss the data sharing concept. It will be required that time.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay,
I
now
am logging out and now I am logging it. Remind me later. Let me check which user I am logged in as. Yeah, I'm logged in as admin user. Yep, I'm back.
okay, now go back to the user profile user screen again to the same
Hmm.
standard user. Click on the standard user, and you will see a screen like this where we can see the properties of that standard user.
Uh-huh.
So you notice on the right hand side we have the properties related to time zone, locale, and the language,
Yeah.
right?
So you want me to click on this one, time zone, locale, and the language.
Right. So you don't need to
Yep,
change it for now, right?
correct.
I'm giving you an idea what you can access. Okay.